everyone, I'm Ankita Pradhan. I'm from Kalizora and I've did my graduation from political science and I'm currently teaching in Mountain Boarding School and I'm a teacher of social science studies.
My name is Rinzi Dolma and I'm from Sevak Baja, and I have done my BCom, completed my BCom, and then I'm pursuing masters right now recently. I've been here from 2018. It's been long 7 years and I'm loving it. I'm a class teacher of class 4, and along with the class teacher I'm also a dance teacher. I'm a professional dance teacher. I teach dance to the students of from juniors to the seniors, and it's been a great to be the part of this school, and I would like to continue it.
So what do you feel at this young age you have started teaching as a profession and you have choose teaching as a profession? Does it make you content and happy?
Yes, because I love being around the kids and with the kids I learn lots of things because they do things which makes me happy and I get to share my knowledge as well. So that is why I chose this profession. Classroom, like many of the students are very naughty and they don't take me as a teacher because I'm at a young age and they take me as a friend sometimes and they don't listen to me as well. And
So what do you feel like in this generation? Is it important to just hang on to academics, or is it more important to build your skill and be a passion about one thing and excel in your passion also?
Okay. So for me, both are important. Not only education, not only the activity, but also having both education as well as a activity or a dance or choosing any professional extra than the education. It's very important because without education you cannot go further in the activity only, because you'll be having a very much amples of questions or so many things to face. So education is also very much important, and along with the education, now today's era, like today's generation, it's very important to have a side by side along with the education. It's very important to have a extra activity. Just like me, I'm also a teacher, dance teacher, and along with the dance teacher I'm also a maths teacher. I'm teaching both. So I think in this generation, having education and along with education, co-curricular activity is also very important.
like being a young teacher, I face lots of challenges and not like other senior teachers, they listen to them and as the old teachers, like the senior teachers, they have a bond with the students, so get they are connected very well. So as me, I'm a new teacher, so they don't connect with me as much as they do with the senior teachers, and I find it very difficult to connect with them, but I'll make them understand me as well as the methods, lesson methods I use, and after that I will overcome with them by loving them or making them understand. Otherwise, I have to give them a little disciplined in a manner. So that's how I overcome my challenge.